Aircraft maintenance is a mandatory by Civil Aviation Authority Malaysia (CAAM) for all Malaysia registration aircraft to ensure aircraft is airworthy. Morning briefing is a procedure before start the maintenance activity. A shift supervisor will detail the task and flight schedule planned on that day. He or she will ensure all maintenance staff is fit to do maintenance. It also important to refresh for safety briefing to all maintenance personnel and convey all the information about the aircraft status and maintenance planning to be carried out on that day. All tools is controlled and personal tools is prohibited. After briefing, maintenance personnel will book out their tools for maintenance activity. Tools and special tool is control, recorded and calibration due monitored by store department. If any tool missing, aircraft will be grounded, and if aircraft is flying it will call for return to base. The purpose is to prevent missing tools before an object damage to the aircraft system or flight control systems that could lead to the aircraft crash, accident and fatality. Pre-flight is a preventive maintenance that must be carried out before the first flight of the day. In pre-flight, a visual inspection is carried out thoroughly to detect the defect and for an object damaged. It also need to take fuel sample for water contamination check for every pre-flight. After the inspection and satisfied by licensed aircraft engineer or approval holder, he or she will sign the pre-flight for release aircraft to fly. After pre-flight is completed, the aircraft will be towed to the refueling point to refuel the aircraft as per required by aircraft captain. Aircraft towing has a certain procedure to be complied to prevent any incident and damage to the aircraft. It needs a number of minimum towing crew to perform the aircraft towing. The speed limit for aircraft towing is a walking paced speed. A towing crew members will observe the aircraft clearance during towing. The brakeman should be respond immediately in case of emergency to stop the uncontrollable aircraft movement. Before aircraft take off, the toolbox must be checked for tools missing to ensure no tools left on aircraft that can cause damage to aircraft system or flight control failure. aircraft starting phase, licensed aircraft engineer must be ready for any possibility of defect. He or she need to rectify the defect as fast as possible to reduce aircraft delay time. All time delay has a penalty charge, but the aircraft safety is priority. HUMS is a prediction maintenance. After every flight, HUMS data is downloaded to the HUMS ground station. Licensed aircraft engineer will analyze the HUMS data to detect any abnormal vibration. A lot of HUMS sensor is installed on helicopter, and every sensor will detect the vibration of the component. Any abnormality will trigger in HUMS ground station. From that, the engineer will check the affected component to ensure the conditions. The advantage of HUMS system is early detection of component pre-failure. That means it can save a helicopter from any accident and incident during flight that course from component failure. After last flight of the day, airworthiness check must be carried out to ensure aircraft in the good condition. Airworthiness check is involved in visual inspection of the aircraft and aircraft component thoroughly to detect any defect and abnormality. All aircraft blank must be installed to prevent any FOD.